Okay, so today we're going to review the Skullcandy Ink 2s, the ones that came out this year. The earbuds themselves look like this. They come for about $19.50, or about like 1,000 rupees here. These are the ones without the mics, so it's just this. For the earbuds themselves are green, red, and yellow, and they've got pretty good ear tips. They're really easy to take off, as you can see. And I'm just going to show you the box, which is right here. So it comes in a tightly sealed packet, which I found really hard to open. They come with 2 more earpieces, which are smaller for people with smaller ears. Yeah, pretty much. So the earbuds themselves have a gold-plated 3.5mm jack, which is around what fits a normal iPod. It's a really nice design. It's got a nice sleek black wire, and it's pretty strong. These, because of the flat wire, they're non-tangle. So when you're like listening to something, it won't get like destroyed. So otherwise, it's a really good pair of earbuds, and I definitely recommend buying them. Okay, so we're gonna interview Lala here. While she's using the Skullcandy Ink 2 earbuds, and since she's got smaller ears than most of us, I've changed the earpieces, as you can see. So as you can see, I've plugged it into my laptop. It's 3.5mm jack, fits most things, and I'm gonna play a song for like 30 seconds, and we'll see her reaction. So as you can see, she used the earbuds with the smaller ear tips, and so Lala, how are the earbuds by themselves? As in, how do they look?
They look cool.
And how's the feel of the wire? Good. So what was the music quality clear and sharp?
Yeah.
Did you enjoy it?
Yeah.
Did you like it, and why?
I like it because the